Hey, this is Ross with Topaz. Here I'm going to show you a quick technology demo of a Topaz panel running inside Adobe Premiere. This can be used for generative upscaling of both video and images. Here in Premiere, I have the Topaz panel. Here in my bin, I have a couple of source clips, and I'd like to upscale them to 4K. I can drag a clip up to the panel to add it to our enhancement queue, or we can multi-select and add more than one clip at a time. In the panel, we then set the type of AI enhancement for each clip. And here, we have Topaz's most popular models for precise upscaling, such as Proteus, Iris, and Nix. And under Generative, we have the Starlight family of models. Starlight Mini can be used to restore old or damaged archival footage. Starlight Precise 2.5 is a model that is designed to add improved, realistic detail to GenAI video sources. We can select the output resolution. We can change the frame rate or add slow motion. We can also choose to obey the in and out points or use all the media in a clip. After choosing our settings, we'll select Render All. Now this will send the clips to the Topaz cloud for remote processing. And because we are running as a Premiere panel, we are not tying up system resources by rendering locally. We can continue to work in our timeline. When the files are done, they'll show up here in a Topaz folder, and we can see the clips are upscaled to 4K. Another way to use the Topaz panel is directly from the timeline. Here I have a sequence, and our source clips are 1280 by 720. We can select the clips in the timeline, then either drag them to the panel, or select the Add Selected button here. Again, I can choose which model we apply for each clip. For example, for the majority of the clips, we'll use Proteus, which is a general-purpose upscale model. For the close-up shot of the man, we'll use Iris, which is optimized for faces. We'll render the clips in the timeline. When they are done, the high-resolution clips are automatically added to the sequence on video track 2. So all we have to do is to change our sequence settings to 4K, and we are good to go. Lastly, the panel is not just for video sources. If we drag an image or photo to the panel, our AI models options switch to Topaz image models, which come from Gigapixel and Bloom. The precise models are used for basic, high-quality image upscaling. For a low-res, compressed image, the Wonder 2 model produces some amazing results. So this is a preview of the panel, which is currently in development. We will start a beta testing cycle soon, so if you would like to join, please reach out. Thanks.